In today's video, we check out the Black Ember TKS, a waterproof sling that also serves as a tech kit. I'm Ed from Rushfaster and we do guides and walkthroughs bringing you better gear and better ways to carry, so if any of that sounds good to you and you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Let's jump right in and check out the TKS from Black Ember. If you'd like to follow along with specs and details about this bag while you watch this video, there's going to be a link in the description below, as well as a QR code on the screen for you to scan with your phone camera. Also in the description below is a link to subscribe to our Rushfaster Carry Roundup newsletter, where we talk about news in the carry world. We also give away some carry gear to one lucky subscriber every roundup. All you need to do is be subscribed to the channel and subscribe to the newsletter to enter your chance to win. Taking a look at the bag, as mentioned, it is a tech kit that can transform into a sling bag, hence the name TKS, Tech Kit Sling. We'll take a look at how that works in just a moment, but for now, let's talk about the materials. The TKS features Black Ember's latest proprietary performance textile. It's called the Microhex HTX. It is a 3-layer, waterproof, high tenacity crossweave textile that feels very much like a nylon 6/6. It also features Black Ember's Bond Stitch, which is a proprietary blend of technical sewing and bonding technology that creates really durable waterproof seams. Not to mention, this bag uses YKK AquaGuard zippers, and all of this combined gives the bag an IPX6 waterproof rating. Turning around to the back, we're going to have a look at how this tech kit transforms into a sling. It's actually quite simple. We simply take out the straps from its stowed position behind this large flap. So that's one side of the strap, the other side of the strap here. And this is our carry strap to turn it into a sling. As you can see, it's a very simple nylon webbing for the carry strap. But in terms of the clip, we've got a Fidlock magnetic V-buckle. It's a very heavy duty clip. You simply pull on this little toggle, pull up and forward, and it releases the buckle. In terms of strap management and adjustment, we've got a Woojin ladder lock here, as well as a metallic ladder lock here to adjust the slack strap. There's a little Hyperlon pull tab here to make it easier to adjust. And then over here, we've also got a Woojin D-ring just to help pull along that strap. Overall, a very simple and intuitive mechanism. Looking at the back panel where you'll be stowing the straps when not using this bag as a sling, this back panel actually is densely padded. It's quite firm and rigid. There's no air mesh wicking, however, so it's not super breathable. But again, it is a 2.5 liter sling, so that's not really too much of an issue there. Once you stow away the straps behind the back panel here, you'll see on the left side, there is this little loop. You can use this loop to hang it onto any hooks, or you can attach a carabiner and use this to clip on a bag externally. Okay, let's take a look at the compartments of the TKS. At the front here, we've got one small zippered compartment, which is meant to be for quick access. Inside, there is a little key leash, which I've attached my Orbit key to. It's a magnetic key leash, so you can simply release it by pressing down on that little button there. Gives access to keys very quickly. And hopefully you can see there is this stretchy mesh pocket here, which I've just stored my phone inside. That's an iPhone 12. And you can see it's currently plugged into a charging cable, which goes through this little port here. This is a laser cut Hyperlon bonded little pass-through pocket that goes into the main compartment. We'll have a look at that later. But I haven't got too much in here. There's still plenty of space to store other things if you wish to. There's actually a decent amount of dimension in this compartment, so you can store more in there if you choose to. Taking a look at the main compartment now, we've got two YKK AquaGuard zippers, and they're connected to these laser cut Hyperlon zipper pulls that have the Black Ember text mark there. You'll also notice on the zipper pulls there are these little holes here, and these are used to make these zippers lock together to deter any thieves or any pickpocketers. You simply put one of the zipper pulls through the other hole, and then afterwards feed it through again. And here we have really solid security for this main compartment. A really great thing about these zipper pulls is that they're textured, and this makes it easy to pull along when you want to open the bag, but also when they're locked in this secure way, it makes it really hard for them to come apart, and that's really useful as well. And for the front compartment, we have these two pull tabs on the side that provide more control when you want to open the main compartment, but they also serve to feed through those zipper pulls, making it much harder to get access into that front compartment. But without further ado, let's get into the main compartment. These zippers open all around so that we can have a clamshell view of this main interior. And here we have two sections to organize your gear. On one side, we have this mesh compartment, allows you to look inside, and it's zippered. And here I've got my Ozair face mask, I've got some hand sanitizer, I've got my Leatherman rebar, as well as my Bellroy note sleeve wallet. This pocket has a decent amount of dimension. You can see that it kind of rises up and it is stretchy, so you can push the limits to this pocket and put a lot of things inside there. The internal fabric is a 200 denier silver ripstop lining, so it's nice and smooth and it provides visibility inside the main compartment. On the other side, we have more space to separately organize gear. You can see there's this little rubber tab here that says Black Ember designed in California. That's a nice little touch. Over here we have a little pen loop, which I stored my Everyman Grafton pen mini. And then we have a magnetic fidlock that secures this area of your gear. You simply pull up on the toggle to release it. And here we have a pocket that opens up like an accordion. We have 6 separate compartments here to help you organize your gear. We have 2 slip pockets here. I've just got some antihistamine pills. I've also got a lightning charging cable. And in the middle, I've just got some tissues. On this side, I've got some hand cream and some solid state cologne. On the other side, I haven't stored anything just yet. And on the back here, we have a portable battery, which is connected to a cable that went through that pass-through in the front compartment. Hopefully you can see that as well. But this is a really useful way of organizing smaller bits of gear, especially tech. This actually reminds me a lot of the Peak Design tech pouch. It's got this accordion style opening, as well as this origami style layout to help maximize all the space. Keep in mind, I haven't really stored it to its maximum capacity, and I stored it with some everyday gear, not lots of tech gear, but if you had a lot of tech gear like dongles, earphones, little bits and pieces, USB thumb drives, stuff like that, this would work really well in this sort of layout. One thing to just mention about this bag is that all the materials have a really nice tactile feel. You can really tell that these materials are of a higher quality and have been implemented in a really considered way. This little backing here is actually quite densely padded to protect that gear while it's being secured down. And overall, the choice of colors and the finish of these materials really provide that minimalistic feel. Some of you might think that this little buckle is a bit superfluous in a sling like this, but if you actually think about it, when you wear this bag, whether it's around the chest or around the waist, when you want to get inside the contents, you're going to open up this sling. And especially for smaller bits of gear, you want this section to be buckled down and secure so nothing falls out when you're accessing gear. So this buckle is actually quite important to making sure that all your gear stays safe and secure and in place. This is the TKS Sling Crossbody. I'm 5'10". And here it is around the waist. Well, around that is the Tech Kit Sling from Black Ember. It's an innovative approach to flexible carry, and as always, featuring next level materials and hardware. If you're interested in getting one of these, please consider using our affiliate links. There's going to be one in the description below, as well as a QR code on the screen for you to scan with your phone camera. Using those affiliate links really do help support the work of this channel. And even if you're not thinking about getting one of these, but you still want to support us, hit the like button, hit the bell, and let us know in the comments your thoughts on this combination of a tech pouch and a sling bag. And as always, subscribe to see more carry gear walkthroughs if you haven't already. We also have a Rush Faster Carry Roundup newsletter that you can subscribe to, where we talk about news in the carry world. We also give away some carry gear to one lucky subscriber in every roundup. All you need to do is be subscribed to the channel, as well as subscribe to the newsletter. There's going to be a link in the description below, as well as a QR code on the screen. And if you want to see more videos like this on tech pouches or sling bags, check out some of the links on the screen at the end of this video. But for now, this has been the Black Ember TKS. Take care, and we'll see you next time.